Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gonna be home, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing.
Today I've got another glueless wig install for y'all. Something that's very easy and effortless to do. And we styled this baby in a side parting because I've been doing a bunch of middle partings with these glueless wigs. But you can definitely rock these wigs in a side parting as well. If it has a bigger lace parting space, it's so easy. And you can even do like a C curved parting like I did today. Now this is my first time trying a wig from this hair company. This wig is from Remy Forte, and I am pleasantly surprised by how gorgeous this glueless wig is, y'all. I did go in and add some face framing layers up top. It makes the hair look effortless, but like we still styled her up. So this wig is one of Remy Forte's Wear and Go glueless wigs. It comes with pre-cut lace already, a pre-plucked hairline. This is an HD lace closure wig. It's 6 inches across and 4 inches back of parting space. This wig is a body wave texture and it is 26 inches long. So if you would like to see how I installed this wig today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep on watching. So I have another glueless wig install for y'all. This wig is from Remy Forte, and this is actually my first time installing a wig from this hair brand. So when you open up the box, there's a wig cap and also the wig. So the wig came packaged inside of this plastic bag right here. This is one of their Wear and Go wigs. It is a body wave texture and 26 inches long, y'all. So the wig does have a pre-cut lace already, and it comes with a pre-plucked hairline. It does have a little bit of extra lace on it than I typically would like to have on the closure, so I will go ahead and remove that excess lace. But there are not any wig combs at all inside of the cap, which I don't mind because the only one I ever really use is the one in the back, but it's really not necessary. And it also has this elastic adjustable strap in the cap as well. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this extra lace that's on the front, and I'm gonna add my foundation under the lace, and then we'll be right back. So I went ahead and added my foundation underneath the lace. Let's go ahead and install this wig. There's a little bit more excess lace that I did not remove. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take that off now. So this is what we are working with now, y'all. So I wanna put this wig in a side parting because I feel like I haven't done a side parting with one of these glueless wigs. I've been pretty much doing the middle parting for the most part. Next, I'm gonna take my ebon wax stick and go around this parting area. Next, I'm gonna take some of my spritz around that parting area as well. And then I'm gonna take my hot comb and we're gonna go ahead and get that nice and laid. And also make sure you use the back of that hot comb, y'all. Next, I'm gonna take concealer in my parting area so it can look like the wig is growing straight out of our scalp. This wig does not have bleach knots. This is going to give the illusion like the knots are bleached, even though they're not. Next, we're just gonna add a little bit of layers to the front of the wig, y'all. Nothing crazy, it's just gonna make it look a little bit more natural. So I'm gonna start right here and I'm gonna work my way down. And then I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. And then you want to blend the longest piece and make sure it goes all the way down to the length of the hair. And I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. Find that longest piece of the layer and just go down and blend it with the length of the hair. The hair is not really curled, but it has this little wave to it. So I'm gonna see if I can get away with just curling the top of the hair. So I'm gonna take my Hot Tools curling iron and just curl away from my face up top. I'm not gonna hold it on there too long because the hair is not really all that curled. It's like just a wave. So I just wanna add a little something extra up top. Nothing too crazy, nothing too defined. I'm literally keeping it on there for like 15 seconds and then I'm just letting it brush out like that. So some really nice loose waves, exactly how the hair already is, y'all. So I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. Let's go ahead and just get a nice wave curl going on. Nothing crazy. Let it fall, and I'm gonna do the same with this piece here. Here we go, let it fall. And look at that, y'all. It just added an extra something. Y'all see what I did there? I hope y'all see. It's just something real simple. And we didn't even have to curl the whole wig. It looks like we took the time to style this wig now, right? But it was very effortless and beautiful. So this glueless wig install turned out super cute. I am loving this wig from Remy Forte. If you've been on the hunt for a glueless lace closure wig, I definitely approve of this one. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Remy Forte, I will leave a link down below in the description box. If you have not already checked out my latest video, what are you doing? Check out my Valentine's Day Get Ready With Me video. Here's the link